Hi guys, today I'm gonna be fixing my pedals for my bike to these ones. So first we need to take our 17mm wrench and you need to unscrew. Okay, it's unscrewing. I unscrewed it. Now it's time for the other side. So now you need to make sure this part is facing forward. Like this. Has to face this part. Oh, never mind, I got it. Am I tightening it? I unscrewed both of the pedals. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay. Let's start with this side. So first you need to put this in.
Just make sure you just go to reverse.
You want to record this part? Okay, it's connected. Now we gotta do this part. Does the black part have to go inside? Now we finished putting on the pedals. Now we're gonna test ride it. Ow!
That's mine.
And there you go, guys. It's a success. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Take a picture of this bike. Hi, I'm gonna do the ice bucket challenge.
It's a drip. Drip.